Hello again, beautiful people, and welcome to this amazing Swedish weather. Always very cold. And also to my broken chair. So you know what happened last week. Welcome to my garden. Okay, so today is the day, people. The big decision for the final 16 applicants. And today is the day when I'm going to actually tell you the news, good or bad. Just before that, I need to tell you, in the past 10 days after the first interview, I was very nervous, to be honest. I always was thinking about this project. When I was reading, for example, oops. Or when I was eating, I was thinking about the project as well. Even when I was in the shower, I was so distracted.
Come on.
I mean, let me tell you,
I had a cold today.
this is what happened. Okay, think fast, think fast. I'm not shaved at all. Wake up. You are ready for the answer? Focus. Answer the call, Slav. So, the answer to the question is that I'm going to Brussels, people. Final 16. I honestly cannot believe it, but you cannot imagine how many cool videos I've seen, and to be in the final 16 out of more than 2,000 applicants, I just feel so good inside. And it's
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
I just have no words to say right now. I'm
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping.
pretty good shot, to be honest. The first people I called were my parents, and especially my mom's reaction was hilarious. Take a look. Ми се обадиха от този проект, нали? Вчера са взели решение там да ми обяснят, нали, за какво става на въпрос. И ми казаха, нали, че има голяма конкуренция, нали, че много тежко било. Обаче ми казаха, че аз отивам в Брюксел.
Наистина ли?
Да!
Боже! Слав, аз ще да ти казвам, да не се ядосвам, че това е нищо.
And then after all this, I just felt such a relief, honestly.
Time to say goodbye.
Thank you. I just want to thank everybody. I want to thank the jury and the project for giving me this opportunity. Thanks for everybody who spent some time to vote. Even people who I don't know, that they still voted for me. They actually shared my comments and my friends' comments on their Facebook pages. It's just, that's how I feel. I'm just going to wish you a great day and keep smiling, people.